So we're at the job site here, and I have the excavator loaded up on my pickup, and later I'm gonna back it down. So that's how we can transport it very easily. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a temporary power pole at the white mark right there on the ground, and I'm gonna test out the auger and see how it works. But we never know until we use it, so let's wait and see. This is the easiest way to transport these 1-ton excavator, just straight in the back of the pickup. If you have F250 or a larger, it's definitely no problem. And one time I have a customer loaded onto a Toyota Tundra to move a couple miles. But anyway, so over here you see is the auger at work, and it's just pretty easy to drill the hole, and it has plenty of torque. The ground is wet because from the rain before, and I need about 3.5 feet to set the post. It's not too bad. Look at how deep this is. Up to here. So we drill about 3 feet, and the hole is not completely straight, so I just need to clean it up a little bit, straighten out, so later when I set my temporary power post, will be a little easier. And after I clean up the post hole, it's about 3.5 feet deep, and I was able to just back up my pickup. A nice neighbor came out and helped me, give me a hand, so it went pretty smooth. Setting the post and just compact the surrounding dirt a little bit to keep it in place, and just backfill the spoil. What you see here is I have the temporary power panel mounted and ready for city inspection and PG&E hookup. When it's time to clear the tractor away, I simply just load it up with that pair of ramps and into the back of my pickup. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it down below. Make sure you hit subscribe and like, and I will see you next time.